My ingredient list includes garlic, fresh parsley, butter, and cream. Today I'm making an absolute classic. It's chicken and mushroom supreme. Hey everyone, how's it going? Good to see you. We've had a little spot of rain here in Worcestershire, but the patio plants are very happy. And welcome back to my channel, Chef Archie's Easy Recipes, and thanks for joining me for today's video presentation. What I love about this dish, it's so versatile. Perfect with pasta, really good with rice, absolutely marvellous with mashed potato. And it's a really basic short list of ingredients, although I am adding a drop of white wine. And I'm also using a really good quality homemade chicken stock. And you can tweak the recipe. You can use thigh instead of breast. You can add things to it. And as usual, a full list of all the ingredients, key pointers and tips are contained in the description box below. Just click on the word more. Shall we get cracking? There's roughly about an ounce of butter in my pan that I've melted. I'm adding my bite-sized chunks of chicken breast to it. I'm just going to season it with a little bit of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes until it starts to show us a little bit of colour. Once it does, you can very carefully turn over each piece. And once you've turned them over, you can give them another minute or two the other side. So that chicken at this stage takes around about 5 minutes. And then we're going to remove it, pop it on our plate right next door. Another chunk of butter going in. Not for butter haters, this dish. Some onion, some fantastic fresh parsley from the garden, and some garlic. I'm so lucky this time of year to have such a wonderful herb selection. I'm going to cook my onion, parsley, garlic mixture for about 5 minutes over low to medium heat before adding the mushrooms. The mushrooms are cut in a similar size to the chicken, and obviously they're going to absorb every bit of moisture in that pan. We're on a low to medium heat, by the way. Once they've absorbed the moisture, we can throw in our wine. Any wine you have, I prefer to use dry white. Turn the heat up, and that will reduce. Once it's reduced by about half, and you'll have to eyeball this, once it's reduced by half, we can then think about adding some flour. So turn the heat off and add simple plain flour or all-purpose flour if you live in the States. Probably about 5 tablespoons going in there, 5 level tablespoons. Once that's in, don't forget the heat is off. Mix that flour into our solids until the white of the flour is no longer visible. That'll take you about a minute, and you can see everything's becoming thick and pasty. Let's throw in a good tablespoon of Dijon mustard, mix that round, and let's put our heat back on before adding about a third of our chicken stock. Heat's back on to low to medium, slowly stir the stock in with the paste until everything comes together. Once it does, we can add another third. Same process again until everything comes together, adding the last batch. Get everything stirred, and before you know it, it'll be sizzling away. Once it's bubbling away, we can add our cream. This is the good bit. Mix that cream into our sauce really well. Starting to look really good now. Once the cream's mixed in, I'm going to return my chicken chunks to my wonderful mushroom cream sauce. I'm going to give that a stir, bring it to a simmer, and then I'm going to pop my lid on, turn the heat right down to low, and leave it for 10 minutes only. And once I take my lid off, it's pretty much ready. The smell is wonderful. Look at that. All those mushrooms and chicken breast chunks floating around in that amazing sauce. Salt and pepper going in. If my mother were here, she would love the sauce. She was a sauce fanatic. She loved all different sauces and gravies. Doesn't it look absolutely fabulous? It's my chicken and mushroom supreme, everyone. And it's ready to serve. Have a guess what I'm going to do with it? I've actually mixed it with some really nice tagliatelle. We really enjoyed this meal. All that lovely sauce, the chicken, the mushrooms, a little bit of garlic, don't forget the white wine, and of course the cream. It's a perfect midweek meal, takes about an hour only. And like I said, you don't have to have pasta, there's a million things you can have with it. I've added a little bit of parmesan or parmesan to the mix. And don't forget, everyone, please subscribe if you haven't already, smash that like button, leave me a comment, and share this with your friends. Look at that. I'm going to get stuck in. I'm absolutely starving. I'll see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching, by the way.